YouTube? Smart Woods with another video. Let's see if we can get a good sight of it. I mean, yeah, now we can. So it is a little cold, you know what I'm saying? I have been keeping it in the car. As y'all can see, it's like 19 degrees outside. You know, but my volts is not doing that bad right now. And y'all can get a good look at the new voltmeter. Now, you know, Midwest Base said I probably won't like this thing. I mean, it does other type numbers though, but there it is, 14.6. Now, when it's cold like this, your voltage will get a little bit higher. 14.6 on the amp too. So we're here to bring you guys the subscriber requests being metered. Now this one is gonna be called Gunna Relentless. You know, featuring Lil Uzi. And let's check it out. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna do probably maybe 4 or 5. So let's go ahead and do it.
Yeah. Fucking these bitches, like they're nuts. Waking these niggas, acting retarded. Waiting, a few perkins, scratching niggas. Fresh out the fridge, my body top shelf. In the kitchen, ain't no ignition. Raised up the bar. Came out done tripping, get in the block. I supply when they need it. Shot beat it. Get it down, get it down. Expensive place, she got my meat in her drop. The way you view up, you start like a 4 unlocking us out. I get that kid to make sure we straight. Talk on my brother, my to my ace. Ain't my mind up, I want slinging trade. And start going crazy with we. I'm missing sharp in a minute, man. We close rush on clean. Thinking about bringing this family pack. Yeah. Pass me that tap. Yeah. Hop on it. Like cap, got it back, 3 jabs. She fresh out of bath, first she my bitch. Fucking these bitches, they're nuts. Fucking these niggas, I can't wait too rich. A few perkins, scratching niggas. Fresh out the fridge, my body top shelf. In the kitchen, ain't no ignition. Raised up the bar. This all vent, I'm my dog. No ignition, deep. Now she's I got this sticky, got a tat-tat, he just racks. That shit all black, no I don't cap it. Niggas ops, they hang with the ops, so I can't never chill with them cause bird by flop. I got a rifle, I put a scope on that bitch, watch they get popped. I'm not scared, yes I will stand in you. I'm tired of this sandwich. Watch all my niggas, they come and dismantle you. I got a phone on me, so man. Pull up with some bitch. That's I'm 50 grand. These niggas actually make me friends with me, so I'm fucking out on me. So high, but a nigga not landing through. It's on the charge. My nigga, I live flawless. I fucking these bitches, they're nuts. Fucking these niggas, acting retarded. Way too rich. A few perkins, scratching niggas. Fresh out the fridge, my body top shelf. In the kitchen, ain't no ignition. Raised up the bar.
Yeah, now that one got up to like 139 on the window. So I mean, it probably would have been like 141, 142 on the flow. Now somebody recommended this one. I don't know who recommended it, but let's go ahead and play it. This one beats hard too.
I'm from out of gutter, middle fingers on 6.
gills. Stand on the stove, cook a towel, cook it up, jump on the knob with the growlers. I got so many minutes, could have bought a helicopter, do the surgery on the coupe like a doctor. Heard a nigga papa caught a gobble. Gang, nigga, for the opposite.
Bitch, I'm mad ballin'. All my diamonds mad flawless. 20. Hold on, let me keep you before I leave the lean, little bitch. Don't play with my cell. I ain't even. It's a dagger. Private flights, I'm a jet lagger. Bitch, you ain't got no standards. Where's your manners? Honey chocolate. Bitch, I'm mad ballin'. All my diamonds mad flawless. Stop. 21.
Remember, if y'all, suggested the song, please comment. We got another one coming on. I don't know who this one is, but somebody requested this one. Let's see what it do.
Big Sean on the beat, by the way.
You broke. Get you saying all that. Get your money up and everybody like, yeah, I'm telling you,
I ain't got a cap, I ain't got a flex, I ain't got a stunt. I let niggas know if you disrespect, they ain't got a. If you disrespect, they ain't got a. Why you keep it pulled? Cause I can't go. Run up on them still, let them things go. I told run up on him, do him dirty. When you got a 30, who'll get you buried? Hit him in his back since he tryna run. Leave him on his front. I ain't tryna laugh, I ain't tryna joke. Niggas talking blunt, niggas getting smoked. Chillin' with a mask, never leave a witness. Niggas know who did it. Bitch, I'ma start diamonds on the penny. Get so much of coast, I can get you wet. All around the coast, I can get you big. You don't need a phone, hold them up against me. On my fingers, set up my best. Like the way I did it, ain't never switched up on the blows. Ain't never slipped up, never told. I ain't never been told with these souls. Ain't never diss an op, I ain't stole. Bet they see the now screaming, that's me. Like, they go Chef G, niggas still the froze. I'ma be the back, this me in the soul. Niggas getting clapped, put that on the set, tat it on my neck. Like, shoot a gang, got him, ready to die. You don't want no problems, don't want to smoke, you don't want to find us. Looking for a mini money mo. Wanna reach where I have to go. Looking for a mini money mo. Wanna reach where I have to go.
Go another one. I told y'all we're gonna do probably 4 of them.
town. Take care of you in that town. It's harder for a but if I change it, they gon' say I changed up. Come through, you feel like fun. It's hard for a
Let me see how the amp feeling and let me see how the speakers feeling. Because we've been happening pushing it a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's still ice cold. Like nothing ain't really warmed up yet. It is so cold. Now I don't know who recommended that. But let's go ahead and check it out.
I got them. Some bitches came after that. Rich niggas in the building. Rich niggas come after that. I know you had that bitch, but I'm gonna dog that pussy after that. Shit get bad for that. She suck my dick, we don't kiss after that. Gotta watch my own back, fuck around, get stabbed in that. Holly grow my habitat, wish I could bring rabbit back.
We will do that one in the next video. I think we did enough songs for now. You know, oh boy, they all felt good. Now the highest score that I was able to see out of each of the songs was 140 on a window. So 140.1 probably translates to maybe 142 or 143 on the floor panel. So, man, boy, that was nice, man. You guys have requested some great songs so far, you know, and they all has been beaten, you know, and they all has been going crazy, you know. Let's see how much strength do my system has right now. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do one at 37 hertz, and that's it. I just like to keep testing it, even especially after we up in the cold weather. You know what I'm saying? See if we can get more SPL. And then, you know, we spent $200 for this thing, so we gotta get our money's worth out of it. So let me pause it. And then it's an easy way to tell after you just played 5 booming songs. You know, how do your power hold up? But let's go for it. Let's see. Turn it up a little bit. And that's another thing I thought about with this twist turn thing. I mean, I might go ahead and get a radio with some press buttons, man. But here we go. All right. A little improvement. You know, and I like in the 37 hertz is the most powerful tone I do. Let's try one more at 36. I'm sorry, guys, but here we go. Let's try more at 36. One more time. Oh. Well, it will help it. It will help it if I turn up the volume. Here we go. One more time. Whew. Well, we all know what our highest SPL numbers is right now. If somebody asks me, I say anywhere between 143 to 144. But I got that 144 a couple of times, but I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.